Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to your global travel mate. So today I am going to take the BTS up to the north. So I want to show you the latest station that opened there. They opened in June of 2020, and the name is Wat Phra Mahathat. It's the last station of the BTS line now, and it is also a station where there is a very nice temple. I do not have time to visit the temple, but I just wanted to show you the station. So let's just go up there. So it used to be, the last station used to be Mochit for a very long time. And last year they opened a few more stations, but now they added, from Mochit they added 7 stations. I am starting here at Nana Station. The BTS, or the Sky Train, how many people call it, is very convenient. So trains normally come between every 3 or 4 minutes. So you just have to wait a little bit, and it's a very good way to get around in the city, especially during rush hour when it's very congested on the road. I mean, the train gets busy as well, but it's better than sitting in traffic. Okay, my train is arriving. Let's go. I'm at Wat Phra Mahathat station now. So it's quite a big station. The reason why it's bigger than a normal BTS station is because it's gonna connect with the future pink monorail line. So the pink line is gonna cross through the north of Bangkok. And what will be a big benefit for many people is that there's going to be a way to get to the Chaeng Wattana Immigration Office with the train, because once you switch here it's going to be 2 stations to the government complex, and people that live in Bangkok or people that stayed here as a tourist, they all know that at some point you have to go to the immigration to either do your 90-day report or to get your visa. So that's going to be very nice for the future. I think already it will probably be easy to get there now if you take the train here and then take a taxi. The building in front here with the yellow roof is actually a Buddhist college. So this is where people can study to become a monk. And there with the white chatty that's where the temple is. Unfortunately, I do not have enough time to check this out, so I have to get back now with the train. So I'm gonna get this train and head back home. So yeah, today a very short video, maybe like 5 minutes or something, so very different from what you're used to when I go biking. But I just wanted to inform everybody about this station, and I think it's interesting. It's very interesting to see how Bangkok is developing with the public transport, and I think this is very good for the future. I mean, the city is so congested with cars, so the more public transport opens, the better. And they are doing a great job at the moment. They are making new lines. This is the BTS, the Sky Train that we're all used to. That's been running already for over 10 years. And the MRT, the underground, is working already for a while, but it's gonna be a lot bigger. So this is an end station, so the last station of the line. Normally when the trains stop at the end station, they will clean it. So everybody's waiting to clean the train before we can get in. I think now also with COVID they do extra cleaning, so they spray it with some kind of disinfectant. Okay, yeah, the lady goes. Okay, so again, if you like my videos, feel free to press the like button and feel free to subscribe. And I'm heading home, and see you guys later.